back, guys! How you doing? It's been a couple days since my crazy car spotting session here at Pagani's factory and museum in San Cesario sul Panaro. And as you may remember, the Pagani Radun is happening in a couple days. So yeah, of course I'm here because I want to try to spot some interesting Paganis being prepared for the event. Maybe we are gonna see some cars being loaded into the trailers or unloaded, I don't know. Maybe some crazy specs, just like the last time I was here. It was amazing, do you remember? So without any further ado, wish me luck, guys. I will need a lot of that, but I can't wait to see the beautiful cars getting out from the factory. Ah, okay, now that's kinda interesting. These are the support cars for the Radun, of course. Crew cars, you see the numbers. Okay. I guess we are getting ready, huh? Just a couple days, guys. I can't wait. Oh, look what just spawned out an hour! Is that an Utopia? Well, guys, yeah, it's been a slow start, but we have our first Utopia. Oh, wait a moment! Is that the windshield wiper? Okay, not that bad. But now let's try to find something more interesting, shall we? Ooh. Come on, I'm just waiting for this one to get out. Oh! Nice spec. Oh, a nice group of BMWs. I love when tourists drive interesting cars. Oh, more tourists, I guess. GT3, beautiful blue one. Yes! And yes again, from Germany. Oh, no! Yo! Shit, that was loud! Okay, now that was kind of unexpected, but then we have the Utopia here waiting to get out. Oh, it's coming out, yes! Doesn't look that bad, right? Now that was an interesting spec. Oh, with the AMG combo, yeah. Well, in the meantime, I think I found the BMW and Mercedes guys from Germany. Yeah, doesn't look that bad. Let's take a closer look. Loving the red top on the Porsche here. Nice. Oh my God, the 1M. Oh, that's so rare in Italy. Love it. And the GT3, oh my God, beautiful spec. Yeah, so good. Oh, we have a few more here. Yo, loving the matching plate. Nice, wow, what a spec on the M4. The Cabrio, ooh, beautiful spec on the Cabrio on the M4. Okay, not bad. And where are the other ones? Oh, there. Very well. It's all fun and games, but now I think it's time to go back to Pagani. Guys, I think we have something. Oh, okay, the white Utopia. Oh no, it's the Roadster. Oh, yes. my god, what a beauty it is! Did you notice the brand new wheels? Also, it's my first time seeing the Utopia Roadster. What a day! Oh, finally! Okay, I think the dark green Utopia is back. Oh my god, that's such a gorgeous pack! Wow, check out the golden details! Oh my god! Haha, interesting sound! Oh, the guys are leaving, I think! Oh, I hear the GT3! Yo! The GT was incredibly loud! Well, it looks like something's happening here. Ooh, alright, it's the Roadster! But oh, a Lambo! That's a Lambo! Yeah, Huracan Evo Spyder! Oh my god, what is it doing here? And the Roadster. Ooh, beautiful matte paint job! But now it might be the case to take a closer look at the Evo Spyder. Well, that's not bad at all. Okay, I'm not really sure on the red details on the interior, the center locks. But hey, apart from that, oh my god, the paint job looks amazing on this one. Now, the fact that the small rear spoiler here, not really a spoiler, it's just fixed, you know. But the fact that it's a glossy one, this may be a wrap, I don't know. Maybe, but hey, I don't really care. I like it. I like it. I would definitely love to drive this one. Quick look at the beautiful carbon fiber seats on the inside, and then, yeah, let's try to get back to Pagani's. Yeah, no, quick change of plans. I heard the natural aspirated V10 and I had to stop a bit more. Come on, do it! Do it! Well, yeah, he did it. Oh, there was an interesting startup. Yeah, it's the dark green Utopia. And there she goes once again. Well, this got boring very, very quick, unfortunately. But hey, I think we have the Huracan Evo once again. Take a listen, guys! Utopia, probably the Roadster. Ah, it's now hiding, okay. Okay, not bad. We should have the Utopia Roadster moving around. Yeah, check out the wheels! And now it's gone. Guys, it's a quite boring day. Yeah, we saw a couple interesting Utopias and no, that's it, just Utopias. Utopia, the normal one, the coupe and the Roadster. It was quite nice. The spec of the dark green one was amazing. But other than that, no Iras, no Zondas. Yeah, it was not my best day, my luckiest day here at the Pagani factory, unfortunately. But again, guys, not a big deal, as in a couple days the Pagani Raduno will happen in Italy. So it's just a matter of waiting, right? So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the 3 or 4 cars we've seen today. And again, stay tuned for the Raduno happening very, very soon. See you in a few days in Tuscany, guys!